Welcome to SWOOD. Created by Africa, SWOOD is a woodworking CAD/CAM solution for all your woodworking projects from design to manufacturing needs. Let us show you how. In theory, woodworking can be complex, so let's make it easy. Here's Will, who recently adopted SWOOD and today he must build a bookshelf for a customer. Using SWOOD's portfolio, he can design a woodworking project with guaranteed accuracy and quality. Because his customer is an avid reader, she needs more space and less drawers in her bookshelf. Easy. He can reuse his models to create a new design with new dimensions, material and hardware. Now, the manufacturing process. Thanks to SWOOD's powerful geometric analysis, Will can output CNC codes and just send them to his machines. Will opens the program on his CNC machine in his workshop and processes like milling, drilling, pocketing and other operations are executed with maximum accuracy. What he designs is what he produces in an error-free process offered by SWOOD. Assembling the furniture, Will does not need to do that before delivery now. His customer is happy and so is Will. Since he uses SWOOD, a complete and seamless solution, his workflow has evolved a lot. By reusing his work, he can create more bespoke projects and be more efficient. Also, the number of errors has been drastically reduced as the modification of the whole process is automated. With CAD/CAM software seamlessly working together, he can spend more time building his business and less time on manual modification. SWOOD has also helped him to expand his range of products and to design high-end complex furniture. SWOOD has enabled him to take a positive step by improving his reliability, time to market and freedom of design. His customers love his work and rely on him more because SWOOD has allowed him to design and deliver with complete freedom. Now what if Will has a question? SWOOD offers a technical assistance to answer all the questions that Will may have. Efficad has developed and trained an international network of certified resellers, so there is always a SWOOD expert available to help our users from all over the world. More productive, more transparent, and more efficient. That is SWOOD. Try SWOOD today.